Check out this party text effect with Adobe Express, and because the type is live and editable, you can animate it and get some attention with motion graphics. So let's check it out. It's pretty easy to do. I am going to show you what I did here by getting rid of the top layer. It's just Disco Ball AI generated text in black and white, and then when you put the top layer on it and change it to screen, you get this effect. And you can even go to your page settings and change the background color to white if you want some kind of effect like that, or just leave it at none or black and you get the original effect. So the cool thing I think is that with Adobe Express you can make this AI generated texture. So let's check it out. Let's do it. So new purple plus button, 16 by 9. And I'm gonna get a photo of a bright cityscape or a party scene. Bright cityscape. Under photos. Something like this, right? And then option drag a corner out so it takes up the whole screen. Come back, get your type tool, add some text, and capital PARTY, and treble click to change the text to Anton or whatever text you want. And while we're here, let's see, let's drag it out so it's easy to read and big. We center it with a guide. And while we're here, I think I added a little extra on the white outline to the text. So the standard weight was a little low, but you don't want it too high. So maybe 28. And if that starts to have the letters touching each other, you can always come in and add a little bit of spacing in between the letters if you want. If you can even control in between a couple letters, the kerning. Yeah, let's see, it did it for me. It's kind of a cool feature of Adobe Express is that you can actually like just change the kerning in part of the word if you want, right? So maybe if I select just the P now, kind of digressing here, I could move it closer. There we go, nice. So get some nice letter spacing and some not duplicate it, some nice looking text, and then get it so it's somewhat centered. Then the next cool part is going to effects, and under generate text effect, get the pencil for custom. You could try these, you could go view all and see what Adobe has to offer you. And they even do here, go disco ball is already here. The problem is that you have to desaturate it because you want it black and white. So let's see here if we do that auto-generated disco ball. All right, so first one's fine. So again, if I go back to, I should be able to, with effects, I should be able to do a grayscale. So if I go right under the edit menu, you don't have the same you do if you have a photo, because with a photo you can go to adjust and get it, adjust the tonality. But let's see, effects, shadow, shape. No, I guess I don't see it here. Maybe if you can find it. Right, so the trick is that we could just do the blend mode of the top layer, opacity to screen. But you get a little bit of that bluish. If you noticed in the disco ball, there was some blue. And if you want blue letters, then, you know, that works. That's great. That's fine. But usually when you do this, you want to maintain the original color. So I'm going to go back to put these letters on top and change the blend mode of that to normal. And now what I want to do is come back here and do disco ball black and white high contrast. I don't know if high contrast makes a difference, but black and white does. And so now it's going to generate some black and white disco balls. I'll leave the first one there. It looks fine. And now when we do the blend mode and switch the layers, there's no color shift, right? So it's only the original color coming, and the bottom layer is just visibility. So let's see, my page, because my background color is white, if I go background color to black or none, I get the original effect I was going for, but whatever one works for you, and have fun with generating some AI text effects.